my eyes, rip my hair, break my teeth until it's fair. Let it bleed, let it dry, let it be. It won't get easier if that's what you think. Slow as a glove will run beneath the leather, stabbing what it could cling to.